Morse code. It's the original digital language. Long before Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even the internet, there was a language of rhythm. Just dots, dashes, and signals traveling across the silence. Today, we're bringing that timeless language back to life. This is a Morse code trainer. It's powered by an Arduino Uno, an OLED display, and a simple touch sensor. It's a project where simple components create a powerful learning experience. We start with the OLED display, our interface that gives us real-time feedback. We connect it via the I2C bus, VCC to 5 volts, GND to GND, and the data lines, SDA to A4 and SCL to A5. This small screen will be our window into the code. Next, we add the sensory feedback. The buzzer and LED are wired in parallel to digital pin 8. This ensures that every time the circuit closes, you get both a classic tone and a visual blink. But the heart of the build is the touch sensor, our modern telegraph key. We power it with 5 volts and connect its signal output to digital pin 2. Now that the hardware is ready, it's time to bring the circuit to life. Open the Arduino IDE. Our code defines digital pin 2 for the touch sensor and digital pin 8 for the buzzer and LED. We use the Adafruit GFX and SSD 1306 libraries to drive the OLED over the I2C pins. The logic relies on a simple timer. A brief touch is recorded as a dot, while any press longer than 250 milliseconds is processed as a dash. This allows the Arduino to translate your physical rhythm into digital characters in real time. Before uploading, go to the Tools menu. Ensure your board is set to Arduino Uno and select the correct port. Now, hit the Upload arrow. Once you see Done Uploading at the bottom, your trainer is officially active. The OLED will light up, the sensor is live, and you're ready to start signaling. Take the letter A, for example. Dot, dash. You don't just see it on the screen, you hear the pitch, and you watch the blink. That combination of sound and light helps your brain recognize the pattern naturally. It compares your input to the correct sequence. If you nail it, you get a satisfying confirmation tone. And if you're slightly off, it gently prompts you to try again. No pressure, just repetition and rhythm. That's the beauty of this trainer. Now, you aren't just learning Morse code. You've built the tool that teaches it. Build, learn, signal.